Alright guys, it is sunrise and it is lightning like crazy. 6:35 I think in the morning. I'm just gonna come out here and record it. Oh! Did you see that? Dang! You should hear it. Here it comes. Here comes the bank. Oh, you hear it? Aha! Oh shoot, even more! Right over there it's getting. You know, I'm gonna keep my camera up here for about another minute. It is just crazy. Probably waking up everybody. Oh shoot! Oh, I'm right in a puddle of water. Yeah, oh well. Right over there. Everything's just all crazy today. Oh, you missed it. Okay. Well, hard to catch it, you know. Oh shoot, there it goes again. My goodness. I'll give about another 30 seconds of this stuff, but this is kind of wild. It is. The rain has slowed down, but it was raining earlier hard. But now it's just all lightning. Get a better view. I don't want to get too far out there. Probably not the safest place to be. I'll get one more. Oh wow. All right. Well, you get the idea. It's going crazy.